Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share with you the best recipes for every occasion. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 of the most popular barbecue dishes that you can make at home on a bonfire night with family and friends. Let's get started. 5. Barbecued banoffee splits. This is a delicious dessert that you can make with just bananas, butter, brown sugar, vanilla, ice cream, and pecans. Simply stuff the bananas with the butter mixture, wrap them in foil and grill them for 15 minutes. Then serve with ice cream and nuts for a sweet treat. 4. Swedish meatball burgers. These are beef burgers with a twist inspired by the classic Swedish meatballs. You can make the burger patties with beef mince, breadcrumbs, eggs, and onions. Then barbecue them until cooked through. Melt some cheddar cheese on top and finish with lettuce and tomato. You can also add some cranberry sauce for extra flavor. 3. Check out sticky chicken and amp chorizo skewers. These are easy and flavorful skewers that you can make with chicken, chorizo, and padron peppers. Coat them with a garlic, honey, and thyme glaze, and then grill them until charred and juicy. You can serve them with some bread or salad for a complete meal. 2. Stickiest ever BBQ ribs with chive dip. These are the ultimate ribs that you can slow cook in the oven and then finish on the barbecue for a crispy and sticky result. The barbecue sauce is homemade with ketchup, vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, mustard, and honey. The chive dip is made with sour cream, mayonnaise, and fresh herbs. 1. Sticky barbecue chicken. It's a simple but delicious recipe that uses chicken thighs and drumsticks coated with a sticky soy and honey glaze. You can roast the chicken in advance and then barbecue it until browned and sticky. You can serve it with some potato salad or coleslaw for a classic barbecue feast. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.